How to view and download Wells Fargo statements. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to view statements on the Wells Fargo app or the web application. First thing you're going to have to do is simply log into your account or open up the app and make sure that you're logged in there. Once you have done that, first thing you're going to have to do is head over to the menu section at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you land on the menu page, you'll find something called Statements and Documents on the page. Just tap on it, then again tap on Statements and Documents. Here you'll be able to see all of your statements and disclosures, including your tax documents as well as customer reports. Now go ahead and expand the Statements and Disclosures option. Click on the plus icon. Once you expand that, make sure to select which account you want to view the statement of, and you'll see all of the available statements down below. If you want to download that, tap on Show More and tap on the statement that you want to download along with its date, and you should be able to download that statement. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.